Hey, welcome back to the garage. Got kind of a late start today, so I'm probably not going to be able to get that much filmed. But I have a couple things I need to paint, so probably going to do that. I also want to mention before I get started, if you really like Foxbody content, I would highly recommend Bone Shaker's Garage and the 8-9 Garage. I'll put their links in the description. Definitely check them out. So my parents visited and they brought me some old stuff from my garage. This is Garage version 1.0. I don't know if this thing is... Oh my god, it's brand new. Cool. Well, what is this? This is pretty cool, actually. I don't know how this doesn't belong in here, but I'm keeping this. To kind of ruin the surprise, this is the front brake lines for the Mustang. I think there's a couple other things in there as well, not sure. And then they also brought me some old tires. These were some spare rims. I don't remember exactly where I got them from. I think from a friend. These tires are bald. And then 245, 45, 17s. I don't know what these are from, but they exist. And then the bottom ones there are some 275, 60, 15s. So let's take a quick look at the paint on these. These actually came out pretty good. Again, these were powder coat and I painted right over the powder coat. You can kind of see right there. So this isn't going to be a long-term fix, but they will get the axle placed into the vehicle. And then I'm going to put a coat of color onto these. These are Ford Motorsport lowering springs. Well, I guess we'll just start off with that. I'm going to be using this. Just a quick little paint. I won't go crazy, I promise. Alright, so I also gotta put these away somewhere. Where are we putting Eastwood? Up here maybe? What I really need is a Rust-Oleum sticker. Alright, so I went to LMR and I looked for a pinion snubber. I got this one. But as you can see, it's not exactly the same height. I don't know if this is like a pinion snubber for lowered vehicles, but probably needed it because I'm pretty sure I bounced off this a couple times. So I'm going to take this apart, we're going to redo this, and then we are going to, well, not put this on today, but we will put it on before we put this back in. Quick change of plans. This is taking a little bit too long. My wire wheel, the torque isn't strong enough to get through this. So I'm gonna put this on hold for now. There's something else I wanted to take a look at. I have these dust shields. This might be the wrong side. This might be inside. Let me get the other one. Tell me about the wrong ones without telling me I bought the wrong ones. Okay, that lines up perfectly. So I guess that's the way it goes. Is my rivet gun big enough for these rivets? Oh my god, look at this. This doesn't fit in any of these. Oh, what size rivets are these? Alright, so order yet another part. Batting 1,000 here, folks. You know what? Maybe we won't even put those on yet. All right, so one of my biggest pet peeves is buying a kit and not having all the hardware to install it. I love these brake kits from Foxbody Brakes, but they don't include the hardware you need. So I had to buy 2 sets of these, and I'm hoping that it has the right pins. So let's see. Now, these caliper assemblies kind of come all together. They come with one of these pins here, but there's no pin in this side. Now, I'm not sure if it's necessary because this isn't moving. I bought a set of these really nice lug nuts, but I don't think that's going to reach the bottom. Yep. Getting thwarted. Alright, I'll get some washers to stick in it. This is just temporary. That's just to hold that in place. And you want the bleeder to be upwards. You know what would help is if I took count the bolts out. So, actually that's screwed all the way down. I'll tighten those up. It's pretty good. What do you think? Should we do the other side? Let's do the other side. Okay. I'll torque these to spec at a later time. Probably gonna have to take them off anyway. I don't remember how this goes. Something like this, maybe. I'm gonna have to look up the picture. So as if I wasn't batting 1,000 already, look at this. So this is the brake line. Doesn't fit this way. Doesn't fit this way. This part, for some reason, is too thick to get past here. This is so frustrating. Well, at least I know where this part goes. There. However, it does me no good if I can't get this part in. Now, if I grind some of this off, the idea is to get it here to where I can put this on and pin it on. How frustrating is this? How frustrating. Okay. Well, that's hot rodding, right? Let's do it. Am I gonna sit here and complain? Ye old trusty carbide burr. Okay, well that fits now. Alright, well that definitely holds it in place. Two, three. I might leave these a little loose because I don't want to crush the washers yet. Just want to make sure everything fits. Let's get a close up. So that's there. It's down across here to here. I might want to mess with this a little bit. Not sure yet, but that looks pretty good. Okay, again, I'm not tightening that down all the way. Okay, so that looks pretty good. But you know what can happen? We can throw some wheels on. I'd like to introduce you to their temporary rims off of the 2003 Mustang. Let's see if it'll even fit over these brakes. Oh, it doesn't fit. Are you serious? Alright, we have a problem. It's contacting the brake caliper. Let's see if we can see how close that is. So it's like right there. That leaves me with a kind of a major problem. That looks pretty cool. Like I said, it's too bad. I'm gonna have to take it right back off. But yeah, so looks like I'm gonna have to buy some new rims before we really get this going. Great. Alright, so every move I made today, I got a bit thwarted. But what are you gonna do? I also did get kind of a late start, so it's gonna be a much shorter video. But we did get those brakes somewhat installed, which is really exciting. Really tough break about those rims. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Oh well, I mean, we'll keep going to try to get the, I gotta get that axle in. Hopefully next week I'll have a little bit more time to work on it. If not, maybe the following weekend. I know it's kind of annoying because I have all these parts and I really wanna install them, but we got a little bit closer today. Cool, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. I really got to do something about this mess. Oh no, I painted my camera.